Yes, I need to have a deputy come out and check on a guy.
Okay, check on a guy for what?
I kicked him off my property twice. He's up on my property, up on Monte Vista up here. I don't know if he's on drugs or if he's drunk, but he is just having a fit out here. And he also, I did notice that he does have a knife on him too.
And is the knife like on his hip?
I don't know. I'm thinking, no, he had it in his right hand a minute ago.
Okay, so he's just west of Quincy on Monte Vista?
Yep.
Okay, all right, sounds good. We're going to get somebody out there, okay?
All right, thank you.
Hey, bud, it's the sheriff's office. Can you put that knife down?
Why?
Can you put it down?
No.
Control 606. I'm trying to make contact with him. Because you're on someone else's property. I'll advise him, telling him to put the knife down right now. Can you put that knife down? Can you put your hands in the air? Please? Huh? No, I need you to not leave. I need you to put your hands in the air and then walk back over to me. You're not free to leave. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Control 606. He's uncooperative, walking away from me now.
I copy.
Stop. 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 Control 606. He put his knife in the backpack. Hand is in the backpack. Can't see it. It's gonna be right hand in black backpack. Control 606. Can you stage 1141? Stop. Stop it and drop that knife.
No! Fucking drop this fucking knife. I'm safe with it.
Huh?
You're safe with it.
I understand you feel safe with it, but I'm gonna need you to drop it.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Kill me, motherfucker.
Sir,
Why?
can you drop that knife for me? What can I do or say to make you drop that knife? I can't do anything? Nothing? I'm not gonna shoot you. What can I do or say to make you drop that knife?
Fuck you.
Hey, bud,
Why?
can you drop that knife for me?
No.
Alright, can you start with your name? What's your name?
I am.
I don't know who you are. What's your name?
I have one.
You don't got a name?
No.
Do you got a last name?
No.
Don't got a last name?
No.
Nothing?
No.
What are you cutting up in there?
Nothing.
Not cutting up nothing.
Clean something.
What are you cleaning?
Clean my fucking gun.
You're cleaning a gun?
Yeah.
Hey, he said he has a firearm. Control 606. We haven't seen one yet, but now he's claiming he's got a firearm in his backpack. Nothing I can do or say? What about a bottle of water? You want a bottle of water? Can you put the knife down for me? Hey, what if I show you the bottle of water and you show me you can put down that knife? I can show you I got a bottle of water for you if you can put down that knife. And stop digging in the backpack. Do you want me to show you the bottle of water? Huh? Oh, so you don't want the bottle of water? No, you don't want it anymore? I can't hear you because you're looking down. Can you talk to me? I can't hear you. You're gonna do what? Control 606. He's now saying he's gonna charge one of us with the knife. You're gonna what?
Charge your ass!
Why would you do that? Don't do that. I don't want you to do that. I do not want you to do that. No, I don't want you to stab me either. No, don't do that.
department. We see that you have a knife. We need you to drop it. If you do not comply with our orders, you will be bit by the canine.
Put it down! Put it down! Do not stand up! Do not stand up! Put it down! 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 Do not stand up! Do not stand up! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Put the knife down! Put it down! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Stand out all the way to your side. All the way to your side. Hey, get that mask.
Yep.
Don't stop, just like that.